I'm a business owner and I have an e-commerce store. I have a jewelry business. I manage my online store using WooCommerce. Now, what I want is that as soon as a new order comes in, a new order is placed by the customer towards that customer so that they can be a repetitive customer in my business, I want to send them a WhatsApp message just like this that thank you so much for ordering. For the next order that you will place, this is a special coupon code just for you. So I want to send this coupon code message only to the customer who places the order on my store. Now, sending the messages manually after a new order is placed is a very time consuming part because any time of the day the order can be placed. So 24/7 being tuned with the order placed is like very hectic. I can't just send the messages manually one by one. So instead of doing that, what I have done is I've created this setup that is automatically going to send WhatsApp messages to the order that is placed in my business. So I'll show you how. I'm going to place a new order in front of all of you, and then you will see I will receive the message for that customer who placed the order. So let us place a new order together. So I'm placing an order for the Staffel Charm bracelet for 2199. Let's proceed to check out from here. Now, what's my name? My name is Best User. So I'll write over here best.user@pabblytudes.com. Country is India. Name is Best User. Address is 123 Old Town. Next for the city is Bhopal. This is my pin code right here. State is Madhya Pradesh. And for the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy phone number. This is free shipping option. Cash on delivery. I'll place the order in front of you. You will see the order is going to be placed. Now, as soon as the order is placed, within 10 to 15 seconds, you will see the customer who placed the order is going to receive an automated WhatsApp message with the promotional coupon code. I will wait over here for 10 to 15 seconds and you will see the setup is going to send me a new message for Best User on WhatsApp. So let me wait and let me show you the message that I will receive. And you can see I've received the message. Thanks for your order, Best User. As a thank you for Moon and Metal on enjoy 50% off on your next purchase. This is the code shop again. So you can see I've received the instant WhatsApp message as soon as the order was placed on my WooCommerce store. So now if you want to learn how you can create this amazing setup for your business and save your time and efforts as well, let's move on to my screen and create the setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills. So now for using this automation tool on a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page just like this. Now if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the task, you can create the setup right away, test it out from your end without paying any cost. And then if you like using Pabbly Connect, you like all the features, you want the access of unlimited features as well. For that, use the coupon code that will get you instant and amazing discounts on the purchase of yearly and one-time plans. The code is on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section to copy. Now I have already purchased their one-time plan and I have logged into my Pabbly Connect account, and this is the template of my workflow. My trigger is WooCommerce new order created. I'll copy this URL to create the connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect and recapture the response from here. Now to connect WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect, log into your WooCommerce, go to settings option. After coming to settings, go to advanced section. Under advanced section, you have to then first scroll down, let it load. So in advanced section, you have to go towards this webhook section, and after coming to webhooks, you have to click on this add webhook button. After clicking on add webhook, then you have to first give the name to your webhook, for which I'm going to write over here as new order created. Status is going to be active. Topic is going to be order created. Delivery URL, I will paste the webhook URL and save the webhook from here. As soon as I will do that, the webhook is going to be updated inside my WooCommerce store. With that, to confirm whether the webhook is created or not, in the trigger you will see the webhook ID was also going to be forwarded. If you will receive the webhook ID, that means the webhook is added successfully. Now, as the connection is created, instead of the webhook ID, I want the response of the new order created. So I'll recapture the response and place another order on my WooCommerce store and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of the new order bit placed or not. Okay. So let me place the order again for this Starfall charm bracelet in front of all of you. Okay, I've opened the link in front of you. Now I'm going to add this product to the cart and place the order from here. So proceed to checkout. As soon as I will do that, now I'm going to enter my details. My name is test.person@pabblytunes.com. For my name over here, I'll write it as test, your last name as person, address as 123 New Town. For the city, I'll write over here as Indore. Pin code, I'm going to enter a dummy pin code. For the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number right here. Status Madhya Pradesh, I'll place the order then after filling all the details. As soon as now I have placed the order in front of all of you, you can see it says thank you, order has been received. In trigger, it will take 5 to 10 seconds or 15 seconds for the response to be captured. So I'm going to wait and I'll show you as soon as the response is captured, is the response correct of this order that I've placed right now in front of all of you or not, okay? So I'm going to wait for the response to arrive. And you can see right over here, the response is captured successfully. The total is 2199. It's for Starfall charm bracelet, MP, code, phone number, test person, IN, that is India, city Indore, this is the address, cash on delivery, order number, everything has been captured successfully in this trigger. You will see the email address test.person@pabblytunes.com also. This means that WooCommerce is connected to Pabbly Connect. So now as this connection is completed, now towards this person I've placed the order, I want to send a WhatsApp message just like this. I manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business using Pabbly Chatflow. So I'm using Pabbly Chatflow to send this message using this amazing software using which you can easily and efficiently manage your WhatsApp conversations in your business. I have created this template and I want to send this template as a message. Now first, if you want to learn what is Pabbly Chatflow, what are the features, how you can set up Pabbly Chatflow and everything about it, you can check out all the videos that we have created on this topic in the description section or on our YouTube channel, okay? So now, to send this template as a WhatsApp message, we are going to set up this step, Pabbly Chatflow, send template message, okay? Click on this connect option, go to add new connection. Now you have to provide the token. To have the token, log into your Pabbly Chatflow account, go to settings and then go to API and webhook section. Generate the token from here, copy it and paste it down in the field and create the connection. I've already built the connection, so I'll save the existing one from before. Now for the recipient phone number field, we are going to map the data. Mapping is the process where you can enter the data from the previous step. Add a / previous step is going to appear where you will see the phone number of this person who have placed the order. Now as towards this number, I want to send the WhatsApp message. I'll select the data from my previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. Now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this map data. I have created the template in the name of coupon codes. So I'm going to search for this template and select it from the drop down. Okay. Next, it is asking for the header type, which is text. So I don't require any other field, so I'll skip the part. Next, it says enter the body parameter customer name. Now in this template that I've created, I have added one variable over here where I want to enter the name of my customer to send a personalized WhatsApp message just like this. Now that is where I'm going to map the data over here in this variable field. Search for the name and map the data, the first name space the last name. Okay. Now as I've done that, next it is asking for the name. Now this is the contact name that will be saved, first name space the last name. Okay. Now after that, it is asking for the opt-in, which is yes. Incoming block is going to be no, and simply then click on the save and send test request button. Your workflow is created, your setup is done. But you will see over here with me, I have placed the order but with a dummy phone number. A WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded towards this dummy number right here. So what I will do is I'm going to enter my phone number just to show you what kind of a response I will receive, and then you will see what kind of a WhatsApp message is forwarded as well. You have to map the data, don't enter the number manually. So let me enter my phone number and click on the save and send test request button. As soon as I'm going to do that, you will see I will receive a response. This is the response that I've received. This is a positive response, and if I'm going to open my WhatsApp, you will see I've received the WhatsApp message. Thank you for your order, test person. This is the person who placed the order with the same entire message. So as now the WhatsApp message is forwarded, the connection between these two applications is now completed. Now in your business, whenever in your e-commerce store a new order is going to be placed, towards that person who have placed the order, they are going to receive a WhatsApp message in this similar manner. Now if you use for your e-commerce store Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce or any other site, you can create the trigger connection accordingly. With that, if you want to use Wati, if you want to use WhatsApp Cloud API, Interact, or any other WhatsApp API Sensi to send the WhatsApp messages, you can set up that according to your requirement. I use these applications according to my use case. If you have any questions or doubts related to this entire setup, comments down below. I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.